OnePlus 8 Pro launched April 2020. After 1 year, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. At first talk about the phone build quality. The phone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back and aluminium frame. So overall the phone build quality is excellent. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch Full HD AMOLED 1B color display with 120Hz refresh rate, and this phone also supports HDR10+ and the phone resolution 1440 x 3168 pixel with 513 ppi density, and the smartphone is 90.8 skin to body ratio, and the phone also IP68 dust and water resistant. So overall OnePlus 8 Pro display is excellent, and you also customize this display on your way. In 2021, the phone running Android 11 and Oxygen OS 11.0.5, and the smartphone using last year flagship chipset with Snapdragon 865 and CPU using octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz and GPU using Adreno 650, and this is 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant with UFS 3.0. So more than 1 year the phone performance is still pretty well. You can get more than 2-3 years still good performance with this phone. All the app opening and closing is speed very fast, and you also use at the same time too many apps on the background. The smartphone you can play all types of game in a max setting. So you can play PUBG in a smooth to 90 FPS, and you also play Ultra HD graphics and Ultra frame rate. My PUBG gaming experience almost pretty well. I don't face any types of problem to play PUBG mobile in 2021. By the way, I am already making a dedicated video about 2021 OnePlus 8 Pro PUBG gaming review on my YouTube channel. Link in the video description and on the I button. And you also play Call of Duty Mobile in a very high graphics and max frame rate, and you also play medium graphics and ultra frame rate. And my Call of Duty Mobile gaming experience is still pretty well. I don't face any types of problem to play the PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. And I am also making a dedicated video about Call of Duty Mobile 2021 OnePlus 8 Pro gaming review on my YouTube channel. Link in the video description and on the I button. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 1.4 aperture, and 48 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, and 5 megapixel color filter camera with 2.4 aperture. And the smartphone comes with 16 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS. So overall OnePlus 8 Pro video quality is excellent. So now talk about the photo quality. OnePlus 8 Pro camera is excellent. You can take a very good picture in a daylight and low light and also night. The picture quality is excellent. You can get very details in the picture. By the way, you also using Gcam 8.1 to take a better picture. Gcam 8.1 download link in the video description and below and on the I button. So now talk about the security. You can get in-display fingerprint and face unlock. Both one is speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 4510 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charger. You can charge your phone 50% in just 23 minutes. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. Okay, this is all about OnePlus 8 Pro 2021 full review, and this phone definitely worth it 2021. And by the way, if you want to upgrade your phone OnePlus 8 Pro to OnePlus 9 series, I don't think so you have to upgrade your phone right now because OnePlus 8 Pro is still very good phone. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.